What is a render prop? In simple terms, a render prop is a technique for sharing code between React components using a function that returns JSX. It's called render prop because we pass a function as a prop, usually named render or children, and that function is used to tell the component what to render. This helps us reuse logic across multiple components without duplicating code. Let's see how that works with a real-world example. Let's build something fun, a component that tracks mouse position on the screen and shares that logic with anything that needs it. Inside your sr/components folder, create a new file called mousetracker.js. Here's the code. Import React useState useEffect from React, function mousetracker render, const position set position equals useState x0 y0, useEffect, const update position equals e, set position x e client x y.client y, window.add event listener mouse move update position. Return window.remove event listener mouse move update position. Return div style deviation. Export default mouse tracker. Let's pause and understand this. This component tracks the mouse position using useState and useEffect. It accepts a render prop, which is a function. Instead of directly rendering something itself, it calls the render function and passes the mouse position to it. This way, we're keeping the logic inside mousetracker and allowing whoever uses it to decide what to display. Now use it in app.js. Open your app.js file and update it like this. JSX import React from React, import mousetracker from /components mousetracker. Function app return div dev h1, welcome to code with me. Mousetracker render equals xyh2. The mouse position is xy div. Export default app. Here's what's happening. We use the mousetracker component. We pass a render function to it. That function receives x and y and returns a simple JSX element that displays the coordinates. Move your mouse around the screen and you'll see the position update in real time. That's the magic of render props, sharing logic cleanly. Where is this useful? Render props are especially useful when you need to share complex behavior, like tracking mouse, detecting screen size, or handling scroll position across multiple components, but you don't want to repeat code. Instead of wrapping everything in how-sees or adding hooks to every component, you keep the logic centralized in one place and pass it down through a render function. It also gives the child component full control over what to display. Naming render props. You don't always have to name the prop render. You can also use children because in React, children can be a function too. Example, JSX mousetracker xy equals mouse is at x, y mousetracker. This does the exact same thing, just using children instead of render. Totally up to you and your team's coding style. Should you still use render props? Yes, but sparingly. Since React introduced hooks, we often handle shared logic using custom hooks, which are cleaner in many cases. But render props are still a great tool to have in your toolkit, especially when you need that extra flexibility, or when you're working with class components or legacy code bases. This is Code with Me. I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding!